Okay, so something a little bit different today. For a long time, I've been wanting to do a tactical lever action build, so I decided why not try to dip my toes into that arena with a 22. Uh, what I did is for the base gun, this is a Henry 22 carbine. This is the H00L. So that's the one. That's basically their classic 22 lever action, just with the 16-inch barrel and then the enlarged lever loop pre-installed. And then the focal point of this build is the Ranger Point Precision forend with the M-LOK slots on it. Which turns out was actually super easy to install. I was able to do it, and if I'm able to do it, then yeah, anyone can. From there, I threw a little pick rail on top, and then just for giggles, put a little green dot on top, just a cheap one from CV Life. Installed a sling stud right there for it. I threw a paracord wrap on the lever itself. And then the sling, I mean, this isn't a very serious build, so I thought why not do something a little bit more fun. It's a 2-point adjustable from Trunk Monkey Designs. And yeah, that's about it. So, is it dumb? Did I do a good job? Somewhere in between? I don't know. Well, we'll take it out and see if it shoots good. So, what do you think? Let me know.